I see a lot of women with different hats on.
It's because of the coronation.
And people come down here, walk their dogs, and a little ship. Side playground area for your kids, I guess, over here. You know, back there. They said this is a family, Glacier Family Playground. We're coming up on it. Over here to the left. It looks like they have some little fair going on today. Let's go check it out. Let's go see what they got. I think it's a paid thing, maybe.
I don't know what the event is.
There's a kiddies playground over here. Looks pirate themed.
5 to 12.
I don't know what this is. Something derby. Is it derby? Oh, fancy hats. Derby.
Oh, so that's why they're...
Fancy hats. The British derby. So I think you need to pay to get in there. But it's a little bit of a shaded area over here. Another kids area. Little spinny cup, not sure. Can you guys see the kids spinning in a little cup? That's kind of down here to the left hand side. You have the bistro. And live musicians.
Just had to mess around with that one for a minute. I don't know how long you're gonna have to wait to hear that. He knows.
Water. It's the water sports. It's the water sports. So you can run through and be like, wee, water, 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 water.
Well, it's a kiddies area. Well, actually looks like adults too.
No, see, it's not the kiddies area. It is the water sports area.
Here's the water spouts. This is
Nope.
totally free.
The splash pad.
This splash pad. I'm gonna try and walk alongside here. Hopefully nobody minds me filming their kids.
There's a beach over there.
There's a beach over here.
I remember we just playing out in front of the fire hydrant. They got actual splash pad for them.
The splash pad is now the city's version of a fire hydrant that we used to break when we were kids.
Somebody would come through, turn it on, and until the fire people came and like, stop that.
I don't know if you can see a better shot of it.
Well, I think this is normally open, but because of whatever they got going on, they shut it off.
Yes, normally this part is open and you can normally get down the steps over here to get onto the beach, but because of the private event, they have shut it off.
They done shut down the beach.
So,
No.
we're now going onto the pier. Over there, wave runners, and
In case somebody goes over, throw them the line. Throw them the line.
well, they are being safe at the
Throw them the
pier.
line.
It says pull over, it's a buoy. Come throw them a buoy.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
Center. The main entrance is on the other side, apparently. But they do have restrooms right here. So you can fill your water bottle up here. So if you're thirsty, make sure you bring a water bottle here. They have a bar slash restaurant on the top. Pretty expensive. They have the free tram that brings you from where we just walked from, and it will bring you all the way up here to the end of the pier. It doesn't cost anything to get on the tram. So nice relaxing music for by the water. That's a good. So this is the pier, the end of the Teak and Pier Tiki, which I think Pier Tiki is the restaurant. The restaurant. Can you see the restaurant up there? I don't think you can because I can't see.